Welcome dear students. Today we are going to see exercise 5.3 question number C. If the midpoints x comma y of the line joining 3 comma 4 and p comma 7, 2 points are given, 2 points of the line joining, first point is 3 comma 4 and second point is p comma 7, lies on the equation 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, then what will be the value of p? Here 2 points are given and that points midpoint is taken as x comma y, that is we don't know, we have to find out the midpoints of the line segment, and then from that midpoint we have to find out the value of p using the line 2x line equation 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution: given points are 3 comma 4 and p comma 7. So first point is taken as x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Obviously we know that the midpoint formula m is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now substitute the values in this formula. Midpoint is given as x comma y, x1 is 3 plus x2 is p, 3 plus p divided by 2 comma 4 plus 7 divided by 2. This x ordinate which is equal to x, this y ordinate which is equal to y. Hence we can write 3 plus p divided by 2 which is equal to x ordinate, and then 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 divided by 2 which is equal to y ordinate. Now we have x and y value. Now what is the given equation? Given equation is given points are lies in equation 2x plus 2y plus 1 which is equal to 0. Now substitute the x and y value in this formula, in this equation. For x we have to substitute 3 plus p, 2 into 3 plus p divided by 2 plus 2 into y value 11 by 2 plus 1 which is equal to 0. This 2 will be cancelled, this 2 will be cancelled. So 3 plus p plus 11 plus 1 which is equal to 0. 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 3 14. So therefore p plus 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 which is equal to 0. This plus 15 will change into minus 15. So therefore p value is equal to minus 15. This is 2 mark question. Next, thinking corner. You can see in your book page number 208. If a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2 and a3 comma b3 are the midpoints of a line segment triangle. Imagine as a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is having a midpoint. This is midpoint 1, this is midpoint 2, this is midpoint 3. For first midpoint a1 comma b1, this is a2 comma b2, and this is a3 comma b3. If it is taken in anti-clockwise. Okay, a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2 and a3 comma b3 are the midpoints of a triangle ABC. Using that midpoint we can find a vertices of triangle, that is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3. In your book example 5.5 they are finding the vertices using a midpoint formula, but here we are going to use in this formula, that is using this formula we can find easily a vertices of a triangle which is given the midpoints of the triangle, using the midpoints of the triangle. If it is given the midpoints are a1 comma b1, a2 comma b2 and a3 comma b3 are the midpoints of a triangle. Using that midpoints we can easily find out the vertices of triangle using the following formula. The formula is a1 plus a3 minus a2 comma b1 plus b3 minus b2, a1 plus a2 minus a3 comma b1 plus b2 minus b3. Third one is a2 plus a3 minus a1 comma b2 plus b3 minus b1. Using these three formula we can find out easily the vertices of triangle, that is point A, point B and point C. Next, fourth question. The midpoints of a sides of triangle are 2, 4, minus 2, 3 and 5, 2. Midpoints of the triangle is given and we have to find out the vertices, coordinates vertices using the above formula, that is if the midpoints of a triangle is given we can use the formula to find out the vertices. If we want to find out the A coordinate, using the formula for coordinate A is, what is that, a1 plus a2 minus a3, sorry, a1 minus a3 minus a2. We have to add, if you want to find out the point A, we have to add these two and subtract this point, this midpoint, that is what, a1 plus a3 minus a2 comma b1 plus b3 minus b2, b1 plus b3 minus b2. This is what, to find out the coordinate A, that is vertices A. If we want to find out B, we have to add these two and subtract the opposite. Coordinate B of x comma y, which is equal to a1 plus a2 minus a3 comma b1 plus b2 minus b3. And for point C we have to find out the point C, so we have to add a2 and a3 and subtract a1. a2 plus a3 minus a1 comma b2 plus b3 minus b1. Using the formula we have to find out, we can find out the vertices easily. For point A is here, this point is a1 b1, a2 b2, a3 b3, we can take as this point. For a1 point is 2 plus a3 point is 5, 2 plus 5 minus a2 point is minus 2, already formula la or minus irukku, again one minus, so minus into minus plus 2 comma b1 4 plus B3 2 minus B2 value 3. This is point E. So 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 comma 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 3 3, 9 comma 3. So vertices A, therefore vertices A is equal to 9 comma 3. And for vertices B, A1 plus A2 minus A3. A1 is 2, A2 is minus 2. 2 in this formula plus, so plus into minus, minus, so minus 2 minus B3 value is, sorry, A3 value is 5, comma B1 plus B2 minus B3. B1 is 4, 4 plus 3 minus 2, 4 plus 3 minus 2, which is equal to 2 minus 2 0, 0 minus 5 minus 5, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 5 plus 5. This is point B. And point C, which is equal to, the formula is A2 plus A3 minus A1. A2 is minus 2 plus A3 is minus 5, sorry, plus 5 minus A1 is 2, comma B2 plus B3 minus B1. So 3 plus 2 minus 4, 3 plus 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus 5 plus 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 4 1. Therefore C point is 1 comma 1. Now directly we can find out ABC vertices. Therefore the vertices of triangle is, first point is 9 comma 3, and second point is minus 5 comma 5, and third point is 1 comma 1. These are the 3 points of a, the 3 vertices of a triangle. If you want to check your answer, you can find out the midpoint of the point 9 comma 3 and minus 5 comma 5. You will get the value 2 comma 4. This is important 5 mark question. But in your example 5.15, they are given in different method. Using the midpoint formula, they are find out the coordinates, but coordinates of vertices, but it is a huge solution. But using this formula, you can get easily the vertices of a triangle. Next, question number 6. The points A minus 5 comma 4, B minus 1 comma minus 2, and C 5 comma 2 are the vertices of an isosceles right angle triangle, where the right angle is at B. Imagine ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is angled at 90 degree. That is right angle at B. Find the coordinates of D. We have to find out the coordinate of D, point D, so that ABCD is a square. If we make this right angle triangle into square, means D point lies on this. If you can join C and A, this is formed as a square shape. So ABCD is a square. We have to find out the point D, that is taken as x comma y. We don't know the coordinate point D. So that's why we are taking the point x comma y. This x comma y only we are going to find out. Now what is the points are given? Given points are A minus 5 comma 4, B minus 1 comma minus 2, C 5 comma 2, and D point is x comma y. That is we are taking. If ABC is an isosceles triangle means AB two sides are isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, one side is not equal. So AC length is not equal to AB and BC. If AC is one diagonal, then we can draw BD is another triangle. If it is ABCD is a square means distance of BD and distance of AC is equal. If we find out the midpoints of AC, that is lies on the center point, that means midpoints of BD. So that's why we can take as midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Using that we can find out midpoint formula. We know that x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Here also x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now look at this. This point is for AC, A and C. So A point is taken as x1 y1 and C point is taken as x2 y2. This line is taken as B and D. B point is taken as x1 y1, D point is taken as x2 y2. Now substitute in these two formulas. From the first 2 points, minus 5 plus 5 divided by 2 comma 4 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus x2 point is x divided by 2 comma minus 2 plus y divided by 2. Minus 5 plus 5 0 divided by 2 comma 4 plus 2 6 divided by 2. Here obviously minus 1 plus x divided by 2 comma minus 2 plus y divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. So 0 comma 3, which is equal to minus 1 plus x divided by 2 comma minus 2 plus y divided by 2. Obviously we know that x axis is equal to x axis, y axis is equal to y axis. This is x, this is y. So equating these 2 points, minus 1 plus x divided by 2 which is equal to 0, minus 2 plus y divided by 2 which is equal to 3. Now multiply with this, division value should be multiply 2 into 0 0. So minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Here 2 3s are 6. So minus 2 plus y is equal to 6. We have to find out the value of x and y. So minus 1 will change into plus 1, minus 2 will change into plus 2. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6 plus 2 which is equal to 8. So therefore y is equal to 8, and hence we can write the coordinate D, therefore D is 1, 8. This is also 5 mark question.